How to make decisions. How to live a better life. How to get what you truly desire and deserve. It's true that 99% of the time we are responsible for whatever happening in our life. In fact, our life is the sum total of our choices we make every moment, every second, every thought and actions and decision we take. And that brings you where are you right now. In this video, I'm going to teach you that how to make better decision. And the first part, I'm going to tell you that save your energy. In other words, stay light and take a high flight, which means the first thing that you need to do is to take a better decision, you take minimum decisions. For example, you may know that Mark Zuckerberg, he is following Steve Jobs. Steve Jobs, his whole life, he wear the same color shirt and that blue jeans, that black color t-shirt or shirt, not the same shirt every day, but the color is same. Why? Because he is making less decision. Because all these achievers, that these people have big mission and they don't want to waste their time on small things that consume their lot of time. Even if you really think about that, you put a lot of your time thinking that what am I gonna wear today, or not. This is just one example. If you look at one of the president of our India, that is APJ Abdul Kalam, whole life, if you see his journey, he was having the same hairstyle. So he was not wasting his time that how am I gonna look and what kind of a hairstyle do I need to have. One more example, that we used to have minimum 2 to 3 meals per day, like our breakfast, lunch and dinner. And we used to discuss with our partner or with our mother or with our sister that what we were going to eat. And it's a huge process of thinking and discussing, and then the preparation, then actual cooking, then eating, and the post eating thing. All these things takes a lot of time. So I am really a very foodie person and I love cooking also. So I know to prepare one full meal for it. It also depends on how many people that you will going to cook for. It takes minimum 3 to 4 hours. So salute to our mother, sister and wife that they are putting so much energy of cooking and they are giving us food. So it takes really a lot of time. So I told my mother and my wife that I will not enter into kitchen and I will not also give any suggestion or any request that I want this specific type of food. If you really want to give me anything, then give me more salad and sprout or fruits and you cut it ready, make it ready. So I save my at least 15 minutes for breakfast discussion and for lunch. So I save not only my time, energy, and also it helps me to improve my health. And there are so many benefits. And in this year, that is in 2021, I've started eating only one meal a day. You may know about intermittent fasting. So I'm really following that. Yes, it was very difficult to really follow all those things initially, but now I really feel so much energy. So as I told you, I am saving my energy, time, and also I am making less decision. I am not investing my time over there. So the first point, that is for saving your energy, the first point is this: make less decisions. The second point is this: sacrifice. You must master to say no to many things, because a lot of these small things are really very tempting and they consume a lot of our energy. Like there are so many social media platforms right now. I have removed all the WhatsApp, Facebook. I don't know about Instagram. The emails that I go on this social media. I decide that what I want to see, I see that, and then I come back. I don't mind a lot of time that just scrolling my thumb and using my energy to just watch other people's stuff. My purpose is just to learn something, or I'm searching for my questions answer, and whenever I found it, I just stop it. So I remove all the social media apps. Then the second things are TVs. There are so many TV channels, especially the news channels, those movies channels, and so many sports channels are there. I just stop watching that, because the second thing you have to sacrifice, because all these things are very, very tempting, and you need to work on yourself. You need to learn how to say first to yourself and then to others. Then the third thing, again, this mobile, so many people call. So I stop picking up the unknown numbers. Only the people who are in my contact list, I start answering their calls. And most of the time, I told my friends, if it's emergency, I send them a message. If it's emergency, then only call me. Then the other platforms like OTT platforms like Netflix, Amazon. So many people are very curious that what the new series are there, what the new movies is coming, and so many things are going on. All these things, and all these people are very smart people. Those people are working on these platforms. They know that how to grab your attention, and how they have studied, all the experts are there. They know which emotions and what colors and how to attract people and keep there on their platforms. So I take care of all these things. Then the other two famous shopping, actually there are so many apps, and they are giving so many attractive offers. That is the shopping offers like Amazon, Flipkart, Alibaba, then the Myntra, and all the sales are going on different times, and they are very attractive, and they consume a lot of your time. You waste your money. So I don't put my time on there. And also the malls are there, all the shops are there, having so many offers are there. Then these news channels, so many political news are going, so much things are happening, all in this world of distraction. So many shining objects are there. Yes, you can watch that movie or that all those things, but I told you that they are very tempting. If you don't want to do anything bigger in your life, then don't worry about it. You are free to watch all those things. But if you really want to do something with your life, if you want to live a better life, then you need to master this. That you need to sacrifice, and you need to learn how to say no first to yourself, how to sacrifice all those things. Then there are some parties are there, birthday party, marriage celebration, and there are so many reasons for people to celebrate. Again, I'm not against it, but all these things, even I love it. That's why I shared that I love eating food. Everyone loves this entertainment, and everyone wants to enjoy. But when we need to enjoy, when we achieve something, or when we have that much time. So the traveling, to go outing, to eat, again, there are so many little things are there, like gossip, and you can just think about your life, that where you need to sacrifice, what you need to say no to about it. Then the third in this stay light, take a high flight, that is save your energy part for making your decision better. Do you know about the domino effect? That if one thing is fall, then it falls on the other, then that thing falls on the next one and the next, and that create a domino effect, right? So to understand the domino effect, why I'm telling you about this domino effect, that whatever the decision you are making, that you need to think about that what is the future decision, how will it going to affect on the future decisions? Like many people, when they have so much money, they go for this expensive stuff. They buy boats, luxury boats, aeroplane, big house, very luxurious cars. And in reality, when they see that these cars are just there in parking, or the house that they are buying, actually they are not utilizing it fully. People buy, you know about the Mike Tyson, he was having a lion, a tiger in his house. So you just imagine that what is the maintenance cost. And when they are at their top, they take these decisions and they forget that all these things will not be forever. It's the kind of fame and the money they are getting, they will not going to get it forever. It's a short term, maybe for a few years. But what will they going to do when all this stop and they go for bankruptcy? There are so many examples are there. So you need to understand the domino effect of your current one decision, how that will going to affect on your future decisions. So you have to think about it. Like if you are purchasing very small thing, like if you are purchasing this expensive mobile phone, so you need to put it a cover on it, and you have to recharge it regularly, right? Then you have to also, if anything happens to it, as it is expensive, you don't want to buy again a new phone. Then again you will see that you have to repair it, and that repairing cost is also very high. So you have to think about that domino effect, means how it will going to affect on your future decisions, because it will going to take your time, energy and money. Okay, so this is the part 1 of how to make a better decision. This is Yogesh Bagul, and thank you.